in my bag. This purse that I'm gonna show you is actually the one that I use every day for work. So first, I'm gonna tell you why I love this bag so much. First, it's black and it's leather and it has like gold details on it. Looks classy and it can match any outfit. I think that it's perfect for work. So I just added this scarf, you know, just to add some more character to it. I really like how the details of this is just so simple. I'm not really a fan of purses with huge logos on them. So just this simple detailing is really perfect for me. This one has a zip top closure, has a pocket in the back, and this is where I place my phone. The one in front has a magnetic closure, but I really don't use this one. I love how it has this compartment over here. It also has this mini zipper compartment. It also has like 2 small pockets in here, so this is where I place my keys, and then it has a bigger compartment. I'm gonna show you the things that I can't leave my home without. Number 1 is the phone, which I am using right now to record this video. Next are my keys. I have this one. Alright, so this is my wallet. It's like a mini purse. I love this one. I also got this from Michael Kors. It's also black, and as you can see, it also has like gold details on them. I love it because it has a lot of compartments and I can place my phone inside here as well. So let's say I'm just going for a night out, or if I'm going for a quick errand, let's say just a quick trip to the grocery store, I just need to bring my phone, my keys, and this one, and I'm good to go. And so it has this strap too, so that you can use it for your wrists or, you know, for your arm whenever you're going out for some hands-free shopping. So those are my essentials. So the next item in my purse is this one. Well, it's a potpourri, or the before you go toilet spray. Basically, it's a deodorizer before you go poop in public washroom. The next one is this item, is the Floral Essence. It is a facial toner, body and linen mist. What I actually do is I just shake this and then just spray it on my face. There, for an instant refresher. So it hydrates my skin and then it makes me smell so good too. So it's made with 100% pure all-natural essential oils of geranium, lavender, ylang-ylang, and jasmine sambac absolute. So it has a base of rose flower water, grapefruit seed extract, aloe vera juice, and spring water. So there you go. You can apply it to your hair, to your face, or your body as needed. So the next one is a pack of tissue. I just have a small one for emergency purposes. I also have like a pack in my car. Next one is this. I've had this one for so long. So this is actually a container for my pads. Actually, I don't use this anymore. Nowadays, I don't really need pads. I just use panty liners or Thinks. So Thinks is a period underwear and it's very, very good. I recommend that so much. Next small item would be my toothbrush. I am always prepared. If somehow I ate something that I know will cause my breath to stink, I have a toothbrush and I have a toothpaste with me. And then the last one is this. This is actually a Sephora travel pouch. It's a Ziploc that I have been using as well whenever I go for like airport security checks. So this is like a liter and it's good for travel. So this is where I hold my small essentials. So to quickly show you what's inside here, let me just dump them first. I have Fisherman's Friend. This is really good to prevent sore throat and also to freshen your breath. I also have a few pieces of gum in here to have fresher breath. I have like my antihistamine. I have really bad allergies that I need to have antihistamine with me all day. I usually take 1 tablet in the morning, but sometimes if I forget to take the one that I have at home, at least I have something in my purse. Next one is I have Tylenol. So Tylenol is like Biogesic in the Philippines or Panadol in Singapore. There you go. It's for headaches, it's for any kind of pain. I just have one in my purse just in case I have a headache. Next one is this hand sanitizer that I have. It smells really, really good. It has grapefruit and sage. Just spray it. And your hands are clean and smells so good. The next one that I have is floss. Of course, sometimes when I eat lunch at work, maybe you get the feeling that there's something stuck between your teeth, and I hate that kind of feeling. So I always have this one just so I won't be bothered with that kind of feeling. So the next item in my purse is this Prairie Potions Save My Skin Multi-Purpose Salve. It can be used on dry, cracked, or irritated skin, cuts, scrapes, and similar skin issues that require a little extra love. So you can use it for your cuticles. I use this when I have like extremely dry skin. The next one is this hand cream. So I got this one from Bath and Body Works. I love all their hand creams. They are so cheap and they smell so good, and they last so long because you only need just like a pea-size amount, and then it's really, really good. As a healthcare worker and also during winter time, this is so useful for me because during winter time my hands get really, really dry. Also, since I work in a pharmacy, I wash my hands so often or that my hands get dry so easily. So this is like a saver. So the next one is, so I have 2 pens and then a marker just in case of emergency, you know, if you find that you need to take a note down or something, at least I have that there. Next one is my eye drops. Sometimes I tend to have really, really dry eyes, especially when I wear my contact lenses. It's also very, very good like in winter time. Sometimes my eyes tend to get really, really dry during that period, and also because I work in an environment which is air conditioned. So this one is very good. These are my emergency makeup items. Let's say I'm in a rush. I just need brows, mascara, and then like a blush and lip tint. So these ones are the ones that I use for my brows. So I have a brush here. This one, I've already repaired it because it was already broken. I just taped it with the masking tape just to hold it together. This one is a brow pencil. This one is from Makeup Revolution in London. It's very good and cheap. So whenever I use this one, the pencil, I just even it out with this spoolie. And then I have the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I use it with this one for some brow magic. The next item that I have is a mascara. This one is my favorite. It's the Maybelline New York, the HyperCurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and it's in black. So I'm using it right now too. My lashes are extremely short, but there it is. This is so good because I need something that is waterproof. Let's say during winter time or when it's raining here, you don't want to have mascara running down your cheeks, right? The next one is this Stila Lip and Cheek Color. I love that it has a mirror on it already. Very moisturizing, and I love the color. That's the one that I'm using right now on my cheeks and on my lips. This is multi-purpose. You can use it for your cheeks and your lips, so you always have that nice red color. And then I also have a couple of lipsticks in here. Try and swatch this one. There you go. So this is how the Tulip one looks like. It's very pigmented, so you only need a little bit. And then I have this Avon lipstick in Sangria. If I want something that has a deeper red color, then this is what I go for. Let's swatch it. Alright, there you go. So it has kind of like a pinkish, more violet tone to it. And then this one is the Lancome lipstick. It's the Shine Lover lipstick in 357. This one is more of like a sheer, brighter pink color. There you go. There. So it is really more sheer, like this. I love that it's sort of like translucent, so it doesn't look and feel heavy, but it has this nice color to it. So I usually use this during like spring and summer, and the deeper color would be more for fall or winter. So I want to know what are some of the things that you keep in your purse that you consider are essential or something that is completely random and unique to you. Like for example, do you also keep pens in your purses? Do you also, I'm pretty sure most of us probably have mints in their purses, but do you also keep like some makeup items there, or maybe like a pack of antihistamine and painkillers? So there you go. That's everything that's inside my purse right now, and I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog.